holistic or an overall portfolio approach towards wealth accumulation is by investing in multiple asset classes, including equity and debt, with allocations as appropriate to an investor's risk profile. Certain short-term goals are better achieved via fixed income investing, like creation of emergency funds, temporary parking of funds, and catering to certain short-term goals 2 to 3 years from now on. Investing in debt funds for 3 years and above would be for earning capital gains while offering stability to the portfolio. The mutual fund investments is only at the time of redemption of the folio or the redemption of the investments. Unlike fixed deposits, where the incidence of tax is every year or annual. It is important for an investor to map the investment horizon or his own investment horizon to the ideal horizon of the fund. For example, the ideal horizon of overnight funds is up to 1 month. In case of liquid funds, it is 1 to 3 months. In case of ultra short-term funds, it is 3 to 6 months. Short-term funds can be used from 1 to 3 year perspective, and money market funds can be utilized from 6 months to 1 year perspective. Long-term debt investing could be about earning capital gains while trading longer maturity securities. Another way to long-term debt investing could be to hold a portfolio of lower quality fixed income securities till maturity. The third manner in which a long-term debt portfolio could be held is about investing into a portfolio of high quality fixed income instruments and hold them till maturity. A portfolio with lower credit risk and high quality also offers good liquidity and safety. Another important thing to keep in mind is to map the risk return equation of the fund to an investor's risk profile. In fixed income investing, there are two kinds of risks primarily: credit risk and interest rate risk. Interest rate risk occurs in a portfolio when longer maturity securities are traded very frequently. It could be corporate bonds or government securities. The impact on the net asset value is reflected on a daily basis on account of interest rate risk. Credit risk, on the other hand, is about taking exposure to high yield, low quality securities and holding them till maturity. In this case, the impact might not reflect in the daily volatility of the net asset value, but it could suddenly impact the fund at one point in time.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.